Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today and tomorrow I'm going to be cleaning and putting on new emblems and spraying the mags and really getting this car to look good again, because as you can see it is dirty, filthy dirty. Hasn't had any love and care for quite a while now. So I'm just gonna carry on and do everything here. I'm gonna just obviously speed up the whole video for you guys so you can see the difference from before and after. So have a good look. This is what it looks like now, and let's see what it looks like when I'm done. Hopefully it looks a million times better, because my poor car needs some love. Okay guys, I'll speak to you later. Okay guys, well, you can see that these mags are way beyond just a clean. So I've cleaned them, got all the brake dust off, but I've decided I'm going to spray them. So I'm just using 800 grit paper, and I'm sanding them. I have sprayed them with soap, so now it's just basically making sure you get into all the little nooks and crannies and sand it properly. You can see that I've had to go pretty deep over here because the paint was chipping off, but I've sanded it nicely now and you can't feel it with your fingers anymore. Just remember, try not to ever go through the primer. So sand through the paint, but when you get to primer, just take it easy. That protects the mag wheel nicely. So just a little tip, don't go through the primer. So I'm going to carry on sanding now, and then I'll show you when I start spraying. Ciao. Okay, so I finished sanding. You can see these wheels are tired, to say the least. So now what I'm doing is I'm just putting in cardboard cutouts to protect the tire. I haven't deflated the tire or anything, and that's it. So I'm going to put that in, and then I'm going to start spraying. Okay guys, so just remember, your first coat is very light, just to make the paint bite. That's all you're trying to do, really. So don't worry, you're still going to see all the stuff underneath, but that's how your first coat has to be. Very light. Let it dry, give it a second coat, you can go a bit heavier. Okay guys, second coat is on. Sorry I can't show you while I'm spraying, but it's just so difficult to concentrate on the spraying and making sure that I get it on camera. So you can see, it's just, I make sure I first cover all for the fins. What I do is I go around one way first, all the way around. So in other words, you go like that, all on one side. Then you turn around and you do all the others on the other side. So that way you don't miss out any fins, because I saw that when I was cleaning it, the paint wasn't even. On certain sides of the fins it was missing. So I think that's a good tip. Just go do all one side first, all the way around, then all the way around on the other side. That way you don't miss anything.